Gising sa napakagandang tanawin ng Laguna de Bay at Metro Manila skyline. Nakaka-stress na ba ang city life? Traffic, ingay, at sikip ng lungsod, hindi na kailangang tiisin. Imagine coming home to fresh air, malamig na simoy ng hangin, at breathtaking views araw-araw. Bakit ka magtitiyaga sa masikip at magulong lugar, kung pwede kang tumira sa isang modern, maluwag, at secured community? Welcome to Aurelia Ridge. Napakagandang tanawin Laguna de Bay at golf course view. Prime location, easy access via C6 Highway at Quarry Road. Safe at secure gated community with 24/7 security at CCTV. Resort-style amenities, may clubhouse, picnic grounds, playground at more. Limited time promo. Reserved for only 30,000 pesos. May 5% discount pa. Flexible payment terms available. Location, Aurelia Ridge, Quarry Road, Barangay Pantok, Binangonan, Rizal. Call Veronica Jol Eco at 0917-127-9579 or 0917-123-5272. For inquiries at site viewing, piliin ang iyong dream model home. Deluxe A 3-bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, 2-car garage, 102 square meter floor area, 60.50 square meter lot area. Deluxe B 3-bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, isang car garage, 88 square meter floor area, 51.70 square meter lot area. Duplex units 3 bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, maid's room, 2 car garage, 137.22 square meter floor area, 86.68 square meter lot area. Single attached 3 bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, maid's room, 2 car garage, 170.10 square floor area, 110 square meter lot area. Hassle-free move-in, walang hidden charges, lahat ng miscellaneous fees at title transfer kasama na. Pre-selling kaya no spot down payment at hindi mabigat sa bulsa. Para sa ready for occupancy, lipat na agad with your family. Meron din kami sa iba pa location. Ano pa hinihintay mo? Grab na, ilang units na lang ang natitira. Contact Veronica Jol Eco now at 0917-127-9579 to schedule your free site visit.